Hello everyone, it's fantastic to have you back. Today, I will show you how to configure isometric drawings to split at every flange in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Let's get started. First, open the necessary project in Project Manager. Next, right-click on the project name and choose Project Setup from the context menu to open the project setup. In the project setup, navigate to Isometric DWG settings and click on any node except for symbols and reference. Select the desired ISO style from the drop-down menu. Click the ISO Style Editor button located in the upper right corner of the project setup. In the ISO Style Editor, navigate to Split and then select Model. On the right side, find the property labeled Model Split Method. Click the drop-down menu and select Property Change. Then, enable the split option as shown in the video. In the filter column, enter the value gasket. In the property change column, delete the default value, which is usually piping spec. Now, switch to the layout optimization node, then select split optimization. Here, change the sheet target fitness value to 10, min components to 5, and max components to 25. Note: following these steps will result in the creation of significantly more isometric sheets than the default setting. Now, in the ISO Style Editor dialog, click on the File tab and select Save. Then, click on the File tab again and choose Exit. Click OK to save and exit the project setup. Run the production isometric for the line number with multiple flanges. You will now notice that the AutoCAD Plant 3D isometric drawings are split at each flange. That's all for today's episode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.